Hi YouTube, we're doing this lazy hill. I think it's a birdhouse. We're gonna do the unboxing and review, and it came shipped with a big stick and a big box. And this is the Lazy Hill Bell House in Verde. I guess it's in green. Model 43413. So what we're gonna need, I would think, is like a post hole digger. And I got this piece of wood here. We're gonna use that to compact the earth around the big stick. And we'll probably also need something like a bubble level and I don't know, maybe a screwdriver or a drill or something like that. We'll figure that out as we go along. But anyway, it came packed nicely in these boxes. It doesn't look like there's any damage. Let's open them up and see what's going on. So the first thing we got that we're gonna open is the big long box, which I would think is the post of the thing. Yep, it is the post of the thing. And this is like a white PVC post that looks like it arrived undamaged. Is the big box, which although it is a big box, it does not feel very heavy. Okay, so we have some small items packed in here. One is the top finial, and then we have some sort of bracket. Couple of looks like stainless steel screws, an inspection tag right up on top. That's very nice. Looks like Dave M packed this for us. Let's see how Dave M did. And also looks like warranty. It says 25 years workmanship in normal conditions, does not cover. Okay, and here's our bird house. Looks like it arrived in fairly good condition. Oh, we got a bent thing here that should be fairly easy to straighten out. It's just 1/4 inch threaded rod. There we go, that looks just fine. Okay. Alrighty, and this looks undamaged. Yep. Okay, very nice. All right, so let's see. This top comes off here. Oh, and look at all the little things inside for the birds. And it all comes apart, I guess. In between seasons, you could clean out the nest. So I would think that if you really wanted to get birds living in here, you would put this up in the fall. Although March or February would be nice too. Okay, so we got instructions here. Looks like they want us to put it 30 inches in the ground, that PVC thing 30 inches in the ground. And then it's just a matter of like 8 screws and it's up. So the important thing is to get this to 30 inches in the ground and then make sure that it's level using our bubble level. And then we're going to use that piece of lumber we have to pack the soil in around here with boom, 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 pack it in so it stays nice and straight. So the hardest thing is going to be digging this hole with the post hole digger, 30 inches. To do it for the digging. I put a piece of tape on the handle of these things to mark depth, and that's how I tell how deep I am. Just as I thought. Moving right along. And you'll notice that I'm putting this plate on before we stick it in the ground. Now the basic idea is we kind of get the stick oriented, the post the way we want it, and then we'll fill in some dirt around in the hole, around all the sides, and then we compact it a little with a stick, and then we're going to check with our bubble level on at least 2 sides of it, and compact a little more, and just keep going until the hole's filled up. Keep packing and keep checking and packing and checking and making your adjustments, and that way it's nice and solid and straight. So now we put a little more dirt, check it with our bubble level, and if you keep compacting like this, it gets to be almost as good as a cement. We got our base in, and it's all leveled, and it's nice and solid, it's nice and straight. Okay, the top's already mounted, the plate. Now we're gonna stick this birdhouse up there, and there's 4 little bitty screws, and this job is done. All we need after that is the birds to move in. Of this Lazy Hill Farms whatever birdhouse. And one thing, we're going to mount it with the nice brass tag facing the house. Okay. We're doing this part, we're eyeballing it. Overall, I would rate this a good product, well made, nice materials. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up while you're here, and sub, because it really helps me out with this YouTube gig. Use the comment box, that's what it's there for. Thanks for watching, everybody.